The Fairfax Library Foundation supports the public library, our public library, in a number of ways. They're one of our most generous sponsors and supporters. They have wonderful staff that put on great events for behalf of the community to raise money. We would not be able to do a lot of what we do without their support.
The Library Foundation, of course, exists to support the Fairfax County Public Library by helping them fund programs that go beyond their actual budget. We raise money year-round for that, but our largest fundraiser each year is a gala called the Jubilee in the library.
So every year, the Library Foundation sponsors a Jubilee and the theme changes. And this year's theme is The Library Goes Hollywood. So we are expecting, but not requiring, that everyone dress up in your best glam outfits. We'll have a red carpet. We'll even have a photo booth. So if you need to memorialize your red carpet moment, we'll have that for you. This year's Library Jubilee is being held at the Pohick Library. We traditionally hold Jubilees at the most recently renovated facility, and Pohick just reopened in January of 2017. So if you haven't had a chance to visit this beautiful facility, this is a great opportunity to do so. The event is happening on Saturday, October 21st at the Pohick Library in the evening.
At the Jubilee itself, we're going to have a silent auction. There are people who donate to us in-kind items, some of them trips to Disney World and Africa and things like that, which are pretty high-ticket items. We auction those during the Jubilee, and at the end of the Jubilee you'll know whether or not you won it. So we hope that that library lovers everywhere in Fairfax County consider coming to our Jubilee and helping us celebrate